So, what are we tasting today?
Dirty soda.
Dirty soda? Wow, what makes it dirty?
Pepsi are trying to advertise to Mormons.
What that? How does that make it dirty?
They added cream flavored syrup. Possibly coconut flavored syrup, but probably not for this.
Okay. So adding something to a soda makes it a dirty soda?
It's not dirty, it's dirty flavored.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's try it. Yeah, because I thought like those dirty sodas had like half and half or like heavy cream or some other stuff in there. So what's it say on the can?
Cream soda flavored soda.
Cream soda, naturally and artificially flavored. Okay.
It tastes like a vanilla flavored gummy that's like a little bit sour, but not that sour.
Yeah.
Okay, but so like, is it its own thing, or does it definitely feel like a thing added to another thing?
It feels like them trying to shortcut the ladder.
Okay. Well then, can we unshortcut it somehow? Okay, I guess you're gonna have to stir that around a little.
Oh, that already looks so appetizing. Well, I've opened my can of worms. It's time to lie in it.
Okay, well, do you want to stir it more, like with a spoon or something?
Cream of soda soup.
Okay, well, it does not taste like sour milk yet. Honestly, the flavor didn't change that much. It became creamier and less carbonated. I can see it separating.
Gotcha.
It will get worse over time.
All right. So what are you guys playing?
Mostly Baldur's Gate 3, but this time with mods.
Okay.
That and Guilty Gear Strive. Enjoy microplastics responsibly.